Hello.
Hello, Maria. It's nice to
Hi.
meet you. How are you?
Nice to meet you. My name is
How are you
Georgina.
doing?
What is your name?
Your name is Georgina?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sorry. I thought Maria.
No,
It's
it's fine.
okay.
No problem.
Okay. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good too. Thanks a lot. So, where are you from,
I'm
Georgina?
from England and now I live in Romania.
Okay, you are in Romania at this time.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right, that's nice.
Mm-hmm.
And how long have you been there?
Almost 5 years.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
And why did you choose that place?
It came down to my children actually. I wanted them to have a better future and a better education. Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay. That's cool. And how many children do you have?
I have two children.
And so any specific education are you giving them there or just
No,
academic?
just the state school, normal education. Yeah,
Cool, cool. That's cool.
yeah, but they have lots of opportunities here.
It
Yeah,
is
there's a lot more things they
which
can
place did
do.
you say? Which place did you say?
In
Romania, right?
Romania, Romania, yes.
Romania, I think it's nearby. I'm not sure, but I think maybe Georgia. No, Georgia is very far. Georgia is very far. Romania
We
is
are on
close
the
to
border with Bulgaria, Hungary,
Bulgaria.
Ukraine, Serbia.
Okay,
Hmm.
Hungary. From this side, from north side, Hungary,
Yes,
and Ukraine is close.
yes.
All right. Actually, Romania is a landlocked country, right?
It is, yes, it is.
That's why. So
Yes.
surrounded by countries, not the
Surrounded by
sea.
other countries, yes.
Yes, everywhere countries.
But
Okay.
we have the sea.
By
We do have the sea at the bottom.
okay, which sea at the bottom?
It is the Black Sea.
Black Sea. Okay,
Hmm.
Black Sea. Georgia is close to Black Sea, right?
I will let you know in a minute.
And
I'm not
Ukraine.
sure
I
actually.
think I think Russia, the border of Russia also touches with Black Sea.
Yes,
Yes.
because
By the way, I'm from India,
from India,
and
yeah? Hmm.
yes, I'm from India, the state called Bihar. So I'm native to Bihar actually. Have you heard this name before?
No, I haven't. No,
Okay,
no.
so it means I'm the first person from Bihar.
You're the first person from Bihar, yes, that I have met.
Yes.
Hmm.
But I'm sure that I'm not the first person from India.
No, I have had a few from India. Yeah.
Okay, cool, cool.
Yeah.
And what do you do exactly? I mean, only tutoring is your profession or something else?
At the moment, yes, I did have my own business. I had my own shop. I used to sell uniforms for doctors,
Oh, cool.
nurses, yeah, for construction workers, any sort of uniform for the workforce, we could sell them. But unfortunately,
Okay.
due to the pandemic and now, the economical situation, I had to close down last year.
Oh, so
Yeah.
what do you think now about your business again? It's a
What do I think?
company?
Yeah,
Is
I
it a
closed
company?
it wasn't a company, no, it was just a shop.
It's a shop. Okay. So what do you
Uh-huh.
think of reopening your shop again?
Definitely not. Never ever.
No. Hmm.
I will
It
never,
means
no.
it's been a huge loss, I think.
Yeah, a massive loss after we put so much into it. Yeah, it just wasn't worth it in the end. Definitely not. We lost a lot of
Mm-hmm.
money, but it
I
doesn't
can
matter.
understand.
Life goes on.
Right. Anyhow, life goes on.
Yeah,
The show
but
must
yeah, I'm
go
very
on.
happy now. Mhm.
Exactly, exactly. Okay. And how do you like about the culture there,
Yeah, it's
especially?
amazing. It's really nice. I think they're the only thing that I don't like, but it's not that I don't like it, it's just not for me, is that they are extremely religious. As much as I am religious and I believe in God, but they are extremely religious. Like, it's over the top for me. Even my
Romanian
son
people are very
sometimes,
religious.
yeah, my son, because they have to study at school religion, even he sometimes says, Mum, it gets to the point where it scares you. I know it sounds crazy, but you think, my goodness, like, what is this all about? Yeah,
But
and that's it.
things,
You'll have to excuse my voice, it keeps going a little bit.
yeah, okay, it's okay, okay. It happens sometimes.
Yeah,
We all are human,
we
so
are.
yes, it happens. Okay, so mostly there are Christians there in Romania.
No, they are Orthodox. Orthodox.
Orthodox Christian.
Yes, but they see it's very strange. I wouldn't say they say Orthodox, and that is it. When I
Okay,
say
and
Christian to them, they say no. But I
you should say
no
Orthodox. Okay, and
Orthodox.
you are in yourself. You are a Christian.
I am a Christian. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
good, good. So how do
hmm
you manage your religion there?
To
Or
be honest,
you
I've
just
never been a sort of person that goes to church and I pray at church. I never have. I haven't been brought up that way. You know, I can pray at home and I respect my religion by myself. That is how I have
Mhm.
always dealt with it. So it doesn't affect me at all here. The difference is it doesn't affect me.
Okay, okay, it's good, it's good.
Mhm.
And by the way, I would say that when you leave your place
Mhm.
to live another place, in
Mhm.
this condition, you have to live your life according to that place that you choose to live,
Okay.
right? But in terms of religion, you
Mhm.
are kind of free to
Mhm.
deal with or not.
Of course, yeah. I agree with you. Mhm. There
Because
are other religions here.
yes, because I've seen that when a Christian lives between
Mhm.
Buddhist
Yeah,
or
yeah.
Jainism.
Uh-huh.
So when they go outside,